So guys, I'm gonna tell you the detail of this bamboo villa. You can get it right now because it's available and the price is 180,000 US dollar. And if you want to rent it out for short term, you can expect 16% return on investment net. Hi guys, I'm Yolan and I'm in Canggu, Bali right now, and I'm gonna show you this beautiful bamboo villa. And the size of the land is 150 square meter and the size of the building is 80 square meter. Let's check it out. As soon as you step here, you can see the beautiful garden, the tropical combination with modern, and then you can see the really beautiful pool right here, the stair floating right there, and you can see the wavy bamboo roofing right here, and it's really beautiful and cozy. It's perfect for family time, for partying, for chilling with your friend, with a lot of people, and it's really perfect, guys. So guys, as soon as you step into the inside, we have this beautiful sun kiss right here. It's really cozy. It's beautiful for your family chilling right here, for your friends, and it's really relaxing, of course. And look guys, we have literally citrus glass right here, and you can see inside of the pool. Isn't that really nice? And look at the window. We have like beautiful plants and we can see the pool from outside. That's amazing. So guys, I'm gonna tell you the detail of this bamboo villa. You can get it right now because it's available and the price is 180,000 US dollar. And if you want to rent it out for short term, you can expect 16% return on investment net. So guys, now we're in one of two identical bedrooms, and for example, we have plenty of space that you can put your clothes in. Let's check the bathroom. So guys, I showed you this bamboo villa, and if you're interested, you can click link below. It's available right now.